How's it going, guys? It's me, Zane, here at Spirit Motorcycles, Triumph, San Jose. Just wanted to show you a very, very, very awesome Indian Challenger Dark Horse that my friend Justin has with a lot of stuff. I don't know if you see all the stuff that's going on. We're going to try and start from the front all the way to the back, starting with the adaptive headlights. You got your driving lights right here. Of course, your engine guards. You put on these awesome toe pegs on the engine guards as well. And you got all of your styling, your select floorboards for the passenger and for the front with the toe pegs on both sides, even for the brake as well, and the heel shifter, okay? Internally, you got the Stage 2 in here. It has a Stage 1 air intake. You got your cup holder for your coffee, okay? He's awesome. The other one says live, so this says live free on the handguards. Rizoma, these are the ones that you see on the FTRs, but you could put them on the Scouts and also the Challengers, so they're very nice addition compared to the standard mirrors that Indian usually has. So Rizoma mirrors that say Indian on them, fantastic. Got an awesome flared windscreen. You got the biter backrest. You got the awesome, very slim edition of the heated seat. We got the saddlebag audio. You can see the bezel and everything on there. Also, we got the Elite trim on it in the center and on the saddlebag bezels, and the nice stealth gray, awesome, and the low profile trunk. I think we did a video on this. If not, it fits a nice 3/4 helmet rather than having the full top case. And also the SNS exhaust. That combined with the Stage 2 that's already in the bike, this thing flies out of here. You also got the custom dynamics. They made their own saddlebag lights instead of Indian saddlebag lights. These ones specifically also do the turn signals, and you can get them smoked out as well. Well, that's about it. My name's Zane here at Spirit Motorcycles, Triumph, San Jose, 460 Meridian Avenue. Call me 408-571-6000. Please have a go on. Be safe. Bye-bye.